Spending hours adding commas between words in Excel? There's a faster way. Today I'll show you how to automate this in seconds. Manually editing cells is slow. Excel formulas work but require technical knowledge. Find and replace creates spacing issues. When you're working with hundreds or thousands of rows, these methods waste your time. You need a solution that's simple, fast, and reliable. If you want efficiency with complex data, Kutools for Excel has a dedicated feature for this. It's built specifically for professionals handling repetitive text tasks. Step 1. Select all cells containing the text you want to modify. Step 2. Click the Kutools tab in your Excel ribbon. Go to Text, Add Text. The dialog box opens. Step 3. In the text field, type your separator, in this case, a comma. You can use any character, semicolon, hyphen, pipe, whatever you need. Step 4. Find the Only Add To dropdown and select Between Every Word. This tells the tool exactly where to place your separator, right between each word wherever spaces appear. Step 5. Click OK. The formatting applies instantly to your entire selection. Hundreds of rows transformed in seconds. No errors, no manual checking needed, no complex formulas to learn. Handles inconsistent spacing automatically. Works on massive datasets instantly. Designed to save professionals time on repetitive tasks. If this helped, like and subscribe for more Excel tips. What's your biggest spreadsheet challenge? Drop it in the comments.